Welcome to our exploration of the biomechanics of human skeletal articulations. In this lecture, we'll dive into the fascinating world of joints, focusing on the connective tissues that make movement possible. Understanding how our joints function is crucial for appreciating how our bodies move, bear weight, and withstand daily stresses. We'll begin by outlining the key components of joint architecture, and then move on to discuss the specific roles of articular cartilage and fibrocartilage. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of how these tissues contribute to joint health and mobility. Articular connective tissues are specialized structures that play a vital role in joint function. These tissues include tendons, ligaments, articular cartilage, and fibrocartilage. Each type has a unique structure and function, but together they ensure our joints are stable, flexible, and protected. Tendons connect muscles to bones, allowing for movement, while ligaments connect bones to other bones, providing stability. Articular cartilage and fibrocartilage, meanwhile, cushion and support the joint surfaces. Let's take a closer look at each of these remarkable tissues and their contributions to joint biomechanics. Tendons are tough, slightly extensible bands of connective tissue that link muscles to bones. When a muscle contracts, the tendon transmits the force to the bone, resulting in movement. Tendons are designed to withstand tension and are essential for activities ranging from walking to lifting. Their slight extensibility allows them to absorb some of the shock and stress placed on joints during movement, protecting both muscles and bones from injury. Let's visualize this with the example of the biceps brachii tendon, which plays a key role in elbow flexion. Ligaments are another type of connective tissue, but unlike tendons, they connect bones to other bones. Their primary function is to stabilize joints, preventing excessive or abnormal movements that could lead to injury. Ligaments are also slightly extensible, which allows joints to move within a safe range while still maintaining stability. A great example is the medial collateral ligament of the elbow, which helps keep the joint aligned during various arm movements. Without ligaments, our joints would be unstable and prone to dislocation. Articular cartilage is a smooth, white tissue that covers the ends of bones where they come together to form joints. Its main function is to reduce friction and absorb shock during movement, ensuring that joint surfaces glide smoothly against each other. This cartilage is crucial for pain-free motion and helps prevent wear and tear on the bones. Without healthy articular cartilage, joints would become stiff and painful, leading to conditions like osteoarthritis. Let's explore how this tissue works to keep our joints functioning optimally. Fibrocartilage is a tough, dense type of cartilage found in areas of the body that require extra support and shock absorption, such as the menisci in the knee and the intervertebral discs in the spine. Unlike articular cartilage, fibrocartilage contains more collagen fibers, making it stronger and better suited to withstand compressive forces. It acts as a cushion between bones, distributing loads and protecting the joint from damage. This specialized tissue is essential for joints that experience high levels of stress and movement. Both tendons and ligaments are made of connective tissue and are slightly extensible. Their roles in the body are quite different. Tendons transmit the force generated by muscles to bones, enabling movement, whereas ligaments stabilize joints by connecting bones to each other. Both are essential for healthy joint function, but their unique structures are tailored to their specific tasks. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the complexity and efficiency of our musculoskeletal system. Maintaining the health of our connective tissues is vital for overall joint function and mobility. Injuries or degeneration of tendons, ligaments, or cartilage can lead to pain, instability, and reduced movement. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and injury prevention strategies all play a role in keeping these tissues strong and resilient. By understanding the functions of articular cartilage and fibrocartilage, as well as tendons and ligaments, we can take proactive steps to support our joint health throughout life. In summary, the biomechanics of human skeletal articulations rely on a sophisticated network of connective tissues. Tendons and ligaments provide movement and stability, while articular cartilage and fibrocartilage cushion and protect the joints. Together, these tissues ensure our joints can handle the demands of daily life, from simple movements to complex athletic activities. By appreciating the roles of these structures, we gain a deeper understanding of how our bodies function and how to keep them healthy for years to come.